Good morning. I'm making some lovely Spanish rice, and this is based off my grandmother's, Grandma Abuela Inez's recipe from Asturias, Spain. I started by sauteing my red peppers and onions and garlic and green peppers in some lovely Spanish olive oil till they're softened and translucent, the onions. I put my spices in, an array of spices from paprika and a little bit of cayenne and some sea salt and pepper. And then we added 2 cups of rice. And people always ask, why do we brown the rice first? It's worth the time, let me tell you. Browning the rice actually separates the grains. And then when it does get moist, it kind of keeps it a little bit more, as Americans know the term al dente, as well as releasing some beautiful caramelization from their starches. And it's absorbing flavors from all those seasonings. And once the rice is kind of golden brown, then I'm going to add 4 cups of my veggie stock, which is going to make it super flavorful. And we kind of stir that in. Along with that, I have some beautiful spring peas. They're seasonal, so there we go. You cannot miss spring peas. This is sort of the super version of Spanish rice. The easy version is maybe some onions, a little bit of tomato, and you kind of follow the same steps. But this one is hearty, makes a beautiful meal. And of course, the main ingredient for Spanish rice is some saffron, some beautiful saffron shreds. This gives the unique flavor. It's the flavor of Spain. It imparts a beautiful golden color to your rice and sabor. So in Spain we say this is going to be muy rico when I'm done. I'm going to let this cook and boil down until all the liquid, the broth, is absorbed into the rice, and it will be gorgeous. I hope you're having a wonderful day.